Hey, Francois here, the founder and chief health and wellness specialist at the Pink Clinic. I know here in Canada, we're heading into the Victoria Day weekend. It's a long weekend in May, and usually that's a signal of the start of summer. Okay, it's an early call. Where I live in Alberta, Canada, sometimes we have snow in the mountains. For some of those who go camping, they wake up to some snow. I've done that as well. That said, the purpose of this video is that as we roll into the summer, sometimes we find that our schedule is packed and cooking feels like just one more thing on our to-do list. So this video is for you. It's the no cook meal prep plan for whatever your goal is, for whatever your nutrition goal can be. Because we're raising the bar this month. We're stepping to a newer version of ourselves. So, what is that nutrition goal that we have for maybe not this long weekend, maybe so, but also stepping forward into the rest of spring, transitioning to summer? So, what do we want to focus on in terms of the food? And especially like the title that I have here, the no cook meal prep, no cooking. So if you caught my last video, I talked about ways and some strategy to do the prep with some easy grab and go type of foods. So I'm creating this so that it's the easiest meal plan ever for your summer. Because there's zero cooking, zero stress, and zero wasted time. Just fast, healthier meals that you could throw together in minutes. My goal for this ebook is the following. Inside, I want to make sure that you get 10 no-cook meals ready in minutes. Working with professional nutritionists, we're going to look at a good portion guide, so no measuring needed, and a grocery list, so you always have what you need. And especially as we get into summer, where summer, we usually think we have a little bit more free time, but somehow our schedule gets jam-packed with a couple different things. So with this, it's all about fast, fresh, and totally stress-free meals, no cooking required. So if you're interested in ordering your own copy, please send me a message about no cook. You can find me at theotherpainclinic.com. I do have a contact page there. That's a website, Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, and also YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. All right. So hopefully I've gotten your curiosity with what I'm creating for you for the summer and a no cook and a little bit of stress-free meals. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.